Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a pasta dish and I will show you how to make a smooth and fragrant plant-based white sauce or bechamel sauce to serve with it. This recipe also includes perfectly roasted asparagus and leek and succulent mushrooms, the perfect ingredients for a light and fresh summer pasta dish that all can enjoy. So, first, preheat the oven grill to high heat. Then, after washing the asparagus, remove the woody base. Grab the stalk and bend at the end until it snaps. They will naturally break at the point where you stuff them. Using a vegetable peeler, peel the asparagus from the base to about halfway up the spear and slice at an angle into bite-sized portions. Now, remove the leek's outer layer, if it's too dry or bruised, trim off the root end and the coarse dark green top. Cut into slices, put in a colander and rinse well under cold water. After rinsing the thyme sprigs, pick the leaves. After cleaning or rinsing the mushrooms, cut them into quarters and reserve. Also, grate some nutmeg to make 1/4 teaspoon and zest 1 lemon to make 1/2 teaspoon and set aside. Now put the asparagus, leek and thyme into a shallow roasting tray, season with salt and pepper and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Lightly toss everything together and grill on the oven's top shelf for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat a small non-stick frying pan over a high heat and when hot, add the pine nuts. Stir the pan frequently and toss the pine nuts around for 1 or 2 minutes until golden all over. Immediately remove the pan from the heat and transfer the pine nuts to a plate to cool and set aside. Then, put the mushrooms in a medium frying pan and add a little salt and pepper. Dry saute the mushrooms over a high heat for about 5 minutes or until they release their liquid and turn golden brown. Now, bring a large pan of water to a boil. Add some salt and a drizzle of olive oil and cook the pasta al dente following the pack instructions, but cook for 1 minute less than the minimum time indicated in the packet. At the end of cooking time, and before draining the pasta, save about 50 milliliters of the cooking water. While the pasta is cooking, make the white sauce. First, chop the basil leaves and reserve. Then, gently melt the butter in a small non-stick saucepan. Add the flour and over a low-medium heat, whisk until you have a smooth paste. Stir in the garlic powder, nutmeg, and a little salt and ground black pepper. Cook for about 1 minute, stirring most of the time. Slightly increase the heat and gradually pour the soya milk without stopping whisking. Add the lemon zest and continue stirring until the mixture is smooth and completely lump-free. Gently bring the sauce to a boil and simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes until the sauce has thickened, stirring frequently. Taste and if necessary, add a little more salt and pepper. Finally, stir in the basil and remove from the heat. Now, return the pasta to the same pan that was used to cook it and stir in the mushrooms, asparagus and leek. Pour the white sauce and some pasta water and gently combine everything over a low heat until warm through. If necessary, add a little more pasta water. Taste, and if necessary, adjust any seasoning. Serve immediately, each serving topped with pine nuts and extra basil leaves if you wish. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.